Action 5. So today's test is gonna be quite bright test. It's quite bright at the moment. I'm in a very nice and green location. I don't know if you can see now, so I'm gonna give you a quick tour. Let's check the dynamic range. The sun is behind us. So how the Action 6 is doing. Again, same settings from last night, so if you missed the video that I did last night, make sure to watch it. Same settings. The only difference today, the aspect ratio is different, so we're filming on 4:3 aspect ratio. So how is the footage of the Action 6 and the Action 5? Also, I'm using the internal microphones of the cameras. So what do you think about that? Some thoughts about my last night video. The Action 6 actually, it's a little bit darker from my test last night, but there is no lot of noise. The Action 5 from other side, it's brighter, but there's some noise. And something that I noticed last night when I did the video, when you watch the video, you'll see when I get back in the studio, there's no lights, but you can clearly see behind the window. You can see properly that the dynamic range is fantastic on the Action 6. On the Action 5 is not very good. So the shadows, and it's much brighter. It's overexposed. But Action 6 is doing a very good job maintaining the natural color, and the dynamic range is amazing. So yeah, I can give props to the DJI. They did a fantastic job with the dynamic range. But yeah, let me know what do you think, guys, about the footage today. It's a bright sky and it's sunny. And what I'm thinking is, let's go for a walk. Let's not change anything. And let's see which camera do you like. Let me tilt a little bit. And let's go. Let's see now. Again, everything is on auto. Oh my god, there's a lot of mud here. Everything is on auto. How is the footage from the Action 6 and Action 5? Just to be clear, everything is on 0 auto. Picture quality 0. Stabilization is a rock steady. Standard warp on both cameras. So the sun, as you can see, is in front of us. How is this footage? Just a couple of minutes ago, before I started this video, when I was in the studio, I was watching a comparison video. Actually, I'm gonna link it in the description down below so you can check it. A gentleman, he did a comparison between the Action 6 and the Action 4 actually, and surprisingly the footage looks very similar, which I was surprised. And I understand why this year people are complaining about Action 6. But this is going to be a separate video, so stay tuned for that. I think I have a good reason to share with you why they did this. But this is going to be in a separate video, so stay tuned for that. Make sure to subscribe, like. But the Action 4 is still great. And I remember a couple of weeks ago I was watching a lot of videos, checking a lot of forums. Many people, there was a rush to sell their Action 5 in order to buy the Action 6. And I don't know, I hope these people are happy. It's a great camera, don't get me wrong, but the upgrades are not, I mean, if I'm honest, the upgrades are actually pretty good. The 1x1 mode makes sense to some people because you just film once and then you crop in post. So yeah, let me know what do you think, guys. Let's check the sun again. I'm watching the sun right now. So how is the exposure? How is the brightness? Okay, let's move on. I'm in a very nice and green location. So let me know in the comments down below what's your thoughts about this camera. Action 6, Action 5 Pro. Now let's turn on the camera so you can see. Let me, because the screen is off, let me show you. It's a great park. Okay, let's check the sun. Pretty nice. So let me know in the comments down below your thoughts about the Action 5 with the Action 6. After I do like a bunch of comparison videos, I'm gonna give you my opinion. And no, I'm not sending the camera back. Like I mentioned, I need at least 2 cameras to film. Oh my god, there's a lot of stuff going on, as you can see. That's gross. Anyway, so I need at least 2 cameras when I'm outside. I have a DSLR, but I mean, with the DSLR it's not nice. So it's very convenient to have an action camera. As a matter of fact, this is my proper action camera. First camera that I bought, action, if you can say it's action, was the Action. It was the GoPro Hero Black actually, and this was COVID time. I had it for a couple of weeks. I did maybe 1 or 2 videos, and I didn't use it since then. After that I bought Insta360 Go 3, which was amazing. The only problem with the Insta360 Go 3 was that software. I do like Insta360, but the software is just not great, and the Go 3 was lacking SD cards, which they fixed that with the Go Ultra. But yeah, I do like Insta360 cameras, they're nice. There's some issues with the software which I think they should work on it. Other than that, camera is great. And yeah, so first camera was the GoPro Hero Black. After that, Insta360 Go 3. And now we have the Action 5 Pro and Action 6, which are pretty cool. So let me know, guys, what do you think about the footage? I don't want to make this video long, but just to give you some perspective on a sunny, bright day in UK. Believe it or not, today is like 5 degrees, 7 degrees. I don't know if you can see on the phone, but yeah, it says 7 degrees. It's 2 p.m. nearly. So yeah, pretty cool. So let me know what do you think, guys. It's a just quick video. Let me tap the screen. Action 6, the screen is off. So I hope this is not very long video for you, just quick perspective about this camera. It's a great camera. The more I use it, the more I like it actually. But you have to ask yourself, do you think these upgrades are good for you? But the more important question is, do you need it? Do you gonna use it? Because let's be honest, many people, they buy gear and they don't use it, and that includes me as well, because I bought a lot of stuff, and the truth told being is that you buy stuff, ugh, and then you don't use it. Wow, we're filming for at least 10 minutes already. So yeah, pretty cool. I like the video from the Action 6. It's quite brighter. The Action 5 looks... No, actually the Action 5 looks brighter, but Action 6 looks darker. So there we have it, guys. This was 10 minutes. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I don't want to make it longer than that, but there will be a low light comparison video between Action 6 and Action 5 soon. So stay tuned for that. Planning to do the video soon. And maybe after this video. But yeah, a long video, but I hope you watch it and let me know in the comments down below your thoughts about these two cameras. Again, footage, settings, everything in auto. Only thing is that the aspect ratio is 4:3 and everything is on 0. So there you have it, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in the next video.